Let's take a look at C. In C, we have the square root of 20 minus 5 times the square root of 20 plus 5. Just like in B, we're going to still be FOILing. So the first thing that we'll do is the square root of 20 times the square root of 20. Well, we've done things like this before, and remember, if you have two identical square roots, the square roots will just cancel out, leaving you with what's underneath. So the square root of 20 times the square root of 20 will just be the number 20. Keep on going, though. We've got the square root of 20 times 5. Well, the 5's on the outside, the 20's on the inside. It needs to stay that way, so 5 square roots of 20. Now I need to distribute out the negative 5 to continue FOILing. Well, negative 5 times the square root of 20 will give you negative 5 square roots of 20. And the negative 5 times the positive 5 will give you a negative 25. Well, notice right in the middle, we end up with a, we end up with a 5 square roots of 20 and a negative 5 square roots of 20. Those are like terms, so they'll add and subtract normally because they both got a square root of 20. Well, they're opposites though, so they will cancel one another out. But then look what that leaves me with. That leaves me with a, a positive 20 and a negative 25. So those are just regular numbers that I can add and subtract normally. Well, a positive 20 minus a 25 will give me a negative 5. And that is my final answer.